Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. In this video, we are creating a Node.js server. Not just Node.js server, but we will serve our page via Node.js server and put it at a public URL. This page served by Node.js will be available at a public URL unless server is stopped. Public URL enables us to showcase project in case we want to display work in progress without sharing files. I am using Visual Studio Code as my code editor. For my package manager, I have npm installed with Node.js, but I have also installed Yarn package manager and I am using Yarn for this project. You can use npm or Yarn as you like. You will need Node.js for this project, and Node.js will bring npm as well. Use this LTS version. Just download it and you will have Node.js. And this is Yarn package manager. You can install it. You can use this or npm. And for my terminal program, I'm using Git for Windows that gives me git bash command line that can be used to run Node.js related commands. So Git for Windows, Yarn or npm, and Node.js. This is our root folder for our project. Let's start and let's create package.json file. Right click git bash here in this folder. I am running this git bash in this folder. First, we will create package.json file to manage dependencies of project. For that, yarn init. Name of our project, let's select Node Server version 1.0.0. Description, simple Node Server. Enter. Find index.js as entry point. Repo URL, I don't need that. Author WebStylePress MIT, and we have got our package.json file. With basic configuration. For our project's file and folder structure, let's create a folder src, and inside src let's create a file index.js and then server.js and then index.html. First of all, let's work on these index.html. src index.html, and I have got boilerplate HTML. It's to Node Server serving index.html file. So this is our index.html file with simple text. Now we will need scripts. Scripts are commands. We can create custom commands in our package.json file, and those commands can be run by using npm or yarn. So first command, start main, and for this command node will run index.js file from src folder, and this dot slash means this package.json file is at the root folder of our project. This is package.json file. It will look into this folder, src folder. That is why dot slash has been used. So node will run index.js file from src folder. So this is one command, and then we have got another start server, and server.js will be run by using this command. So let's create our basic server that will be run by using this command in index.js. This is index.js, and here we define a const named as http. This name, you can use any name instead of http. So it will require a module from node, that is http. We defined a variable with http name and required a module http from Node.js in this line. Now we will declare another variable with the name host name, and that will contain our localhost address 127.0.0.1. Let's define port. Const port is equal to, and this is port of our choice. Our project will be served by using this port 3000. Now we will take another variable with the name server, and we will call http this variable that has got http module, and we will access a method from that module dot create server. As you can see, it is suggesting this method. Request resource fat arrow, and then resource status code is equal to 200. 200 means okay, and then resource set header let's use plain text as content type. Content dash type text dash plain, and then resource end. Let's just print hello Node.js. So we required a module HTTP, and then we used this module and we accessed a method from this module, and we are just printing hello Node.js. And now we will listen to this port over this host name. So this server dot listen port number host name. Okay, server listen port host name. So port is this one and host name is this one, and this server is taking two parameters, as one this one port, and then second this host name, and then fat arrow, and then just console log. Let's use template literal here using backticks. Server is running at http // and this is our variable host name. This will be printed, and then another variable port / save. We required module HTTP, we declared host name, we declared port, and then we declared server. Then we used server, and we are listening to this port or this host name, and we are just printing this message. So this is index.js and this is complete. This is index.js, and we have got this command in our scripts. We have got this command, and we can run this command now. Clear. And I am inside my project in this terminal, and let's use yarn start main. This one, start main, enter. And as you can see, this is the message: server is running at this location. Copy, and here is our web browser. Right click, paste, and go. And as you can see, hello Node.js is being printed here as it was inside. This is being printed. This was a message for us in terminal, and this is being printed. Our server is running now, and it is serving this index.js file. Add this URL, and we have got this message. So this was basic Node.js server. Now we do not want just hello world or hello Node.js. We want to serve a page, or in fact an entire folder via Node.js. I want to create a server that should serve files from a specified folder. Now we will use server.js. Now this is done. We have created this basic Node.js server. That is done. Now we will use the server.js, and we will serve this index.html file or this entire folder by using this server.js and by using Node. And for that we will need some packages. So I will terminate this process by using Ctrl+C, and now this server has been stopped. And if I refresh this page, now this page will be empty. Back to my terminal, and I will need some packages here. I will install packages. So packages that I need, I'm using yarn add, and a package that is connect, and then we need package local tunnel and serve static. 3 packages are being installed in one go. Enter. And the package I have installed, as you can see, dependencies here: connect, local tunnel, and serve static. These 3 packages we just installed, and we have got this node_modules folder now. This contains our packages and their dependencies. So we have got our packages, and we have got this server.js file. Let's build this server. This is easy. Variable connect is equal to require module or package, that is connect. In Node.js we require, we do not import export, we require. And then another variable, that is serve static, is equal to require that second package name, serve static. This is the package name. So two packages required here. Then we will use this connect dot use serve static, this method, directory name, listen, and this will be our port 3000, and then function console.log server ready and running at port. Let's just print the port. Go to http:// localhost :3000 /. Let's just print the URL message, and that's it. Our server has been created. This is our server that will serve this folder, because server.js file is in this folder will be served, and it has got index.html, so this index.html will be served. And this is a duplicate, I'm removing it. Just save. Now this seems fine. Okay, so we have to run this server.js now, and we have got command for this server.js will be served if we use this command, start server. So this is our terminal, clear, and then yarn space start server, enter, allow access, and as you can see, this is the URL that we mentioned, copy, and our server is running. And we go to this address, and as you can see, node server serving index.html file, and this is basically index.html file being served here with this message. Save, reload, and as you can see, the changes. So our index.html is being served by this server configuration, and this is 127.0.0.1, but we can use this URL as well. 127.0.0.1 is equivalent to localhost. So there you go. So we have created our server that is serving this index.html file and any files that will be in this folder. Basically this folder is being served, you can say that. And but now we want something else. We want to put this URL or this project at a public URL. We want to put this local project live, and we have package local tunnel, and we can use that. We will create another command here, and that command will be, let's name it go live. And then this command will have local tunnel lt space port, and port 3000 is being used, so we will use that. Our project is being served as 3000 port, so we will put this port live. Local tunnel lt will put 3000 port that is being used by this project live. So all we have to do is to use this command, but not in this terminal. This terminal is already busy. It is running our server, so we will need another terminal. Keep this server running, and it is running this project at this URL, and I will go inside root folder of my project where package.json is there, and I will right click and select git bash here again, and this is my second terminal. This is my first terminal that is running our server, and this is my second terminal. I will give second command here by using yarn space, that command is go live. Go live, this command, enter, and it gave us a URL, a new URL. Now this is the URL that is serving our project and making it live. This is the whole URL. Copy, new tab, paste it here, enter, and this is the message. Click to continue, and you can see the same page at this new URL, little dash rabbit dash 57 dot loca dot lt local. This is a weird URL, but this is the URL that you can share globally. This URL is live, and you can share this URL to anybody who is live from anywhere in the world. This public URL will work as long as your server is running. Person with this URL can access your project just like a live project served from your PC. This is your project running locally, and now this same project is running globally here. This is global URL, this is public URL, and this project will be live unless you stop these servers. To stop servers, just close terminals or press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, and now these URLs won't work anymore. Our servers have stopped. And this is how you can create a simple Node.js server that we created here, and just printed hello Node.js. This is separate thing. This is separate server. We just created this independently. This is an example of how you can create a simple server by using Node.js and print something. So you can create a simple Node.js server that says something or displays some text, and then you can create a server like we created here, server in server.js, by using two packages, connect and serve static. This connect and this serve static. We created this server that can serve a file or folder or your project, and then we shared Node.js local URL publicly by using this local tunnel package, and then by using this command. Basically, whatever this port was serving was put to live or put publicly by using local tunnel package. and I can show you packages used in this project. This is local tunnel. It's also available at npm registry, and this is the command local tunnel dash dash port, and then your port name or port number that will be live. And then we have got this package connect, extensible HTTP server framework for Node, and then we have got serve static package from npm registry, and this is create a new middleware function to serve files from within a given root directory. So these packages were used. So I hope you liked this video. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.